It's beautiful life. Forever I'll stay by your side. It's beautiful life. Always standing right behind you. Beautiful love, 'cause we're standing under the same sky, even though we are worlds apart. Beautiful life, beautiful day, though I am only living in memories. Beautiful life.
To my favorite person, thank you for all that you do. You mean the world to me. I love laughing with you. Thank you for giving me a place to feel safe. Thank you for allowing me to express my emotions and never judging me for them. Thank you for supporting me. And finally, thank you for just being you.
Hi, I just want to say I'm glad that I met you. You are the greatest gift I've ever received. Thank you for loving me. I'm so thankful for having you in my life. I want to take care of you and be with you till forever. I love you more than you could know. I will try my best to make you happy. Trust me. I love you. Always.
I've spent half my life looking for the reasons things must change, and half my life trying to make them stay the same. But love would fade like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. The will of the wind, you feel it and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes.